Before you buy your next gadget, watch this first. In this video, you'll discover 25 genius inventions that solve everyday problems in ways you probably haven't seen before. From smart charging devices and security tools to clever home and car gadgets, each one gets more impressive than the last. Make sure you stay until the end. You might find the one gadget you'll want to own immediately. 1. Fingerprint padlock. No matter what kind of lock you use, it can only deter honest people, not determined thieves. But forgetting your key can become a hassle. This new fingerprint padlock doesn't need a key. Just tap the fingerprint sensor to unlock it. It can store up to 10 fingerprints, making it perfect for helmets, backpacks, lockers, office drawers, and more. 2. Smart Auto Power Off Charging Protector. Never worry about overcharging your phone again. This smart charging protector with a digital display plugs between your charging cable and your phone. It shows real-time charging voltage and current without slowing down charging speed. Once your battery reaches 100%, it automatically cuts off the power to protect the battery from overcharging. It also works with other electronic devices and disconnects instantly if it detects overvoltage or overcurrent. 3. Butane gas canister emergency camping light. This emergency camping light attaches directly to a butane gas canister. It features electronic ignition and adjustable brightness. Remove the lamp head to light cigarettes or start a barbecue. One gas canister lasts a long time, making it ideal for camping, emergencies, and power outages. 4. 3-in-1 retractable fast charging cable. This compact charging cable supports iPhones, Android phones, and many other devices. It provides super fast charging and retracts neatly into a keychain-sized design for easy carrying. 5. Ultrasonic mosquito repellent. Night light. Simply plug it into any USB port. It emits ultrasonic waves that drive away mosquitoes and flies without chemicals, smoke, or odors. Safe for children and the elderly. 6. Automatic water pressure booster sprayer. Connect it to a water hose and it automatically boosts water pressure. It creates a gentle rain-like spray for watering plants, washing cars, and cleaning outdoor areas. 7. Fast charger with built-in retractable cable. A multifunction fast charger with a built-in retractable charging cable. Supports super fast charging for both Android and Apple devices. 8. Stainless steel Luban measuring ruler. Features: clear markings, accurate measurements, durable stainless steel construction, and can also be used as an emergency window breaker in a vehicle. 9. 360° blind spot mirror. Clips directly onto your vehicle's side mirror. Rotates 360 degrees to eliminate blind spots and improve visibility while driving or reversing. 10. Type-C solder-free wire connector. Repair broken charging cables without soldering. Simply connect the wires, tighten the screws, and reuse the connector whenever needed. 11. Waterproof stainless steel tape measure. Scratch-resistant, rust-proof, laser-etched markings, lightweight design, and perfect for both home and professional use. 12. Soldering wire holder. Dual-slot, anti-slip design securely holds wires and electronic components while soldering, acting like an extra pair of hands. 13. Battery portable power station adapter. Turn an ordinary battery into a portable power station with USB ports, 12V outputs, voltage display, and super-fast phone charging. 14. Laser-guided scissors. Built-in laser projects a straight cutting line for fast and accurate cutting without drawing guidelines. 15. USB mosquito trap. Uses UV light to attract mosquitoes and a powerful fan to trap them. Chemical-free, odor-free, and safe for indoor use. 16. Voice-controlled USB night light. Plug it into a charger or power bank and control it with simple voice commands like turn on, turn off, or change color. 17. USB emergency night light. Energy-efficient soft lighting for bedrooms, hallways, and bathrooms. Also works as emergency lighting during power outages. 18. Drone-style ceiling fan light. Screws into a standard light socket. Combines an LED light and a 5-blade fan with 3 adjustable speed settings. 19. Smart fan remote controller. Installs between the power source and fan. Use the remote to turn the fan on or off, adjust speed, and set timers. 20. Creative toilet-shaped desktop fan. A fun desktop fan with strong airflow, 3-speed settings, USB charging, and a 360-degree adjustable angle. 21. HD inspection endoscope camera. Connects to a phone or computer for inspecting pipes, machinery, electronics, and hard-to-reach areas. Features adjustable LED lighting and a flexible cable. 22. 1 to 3 power socket adapter. converts one outlet into 3 while supporting both 2-pin and 3-pin plugs, built with pure copper conductors and durable cables. 23. Magnetic 18650 battery charger. Charges multiple types of 18650 batteries with automatic power cutoff when fully charged. 24. Solar motion sensor outdoor light. Charges automatically during the day and lights up at night. Includes remote control, timer functions, and motion detection for added security. 25. Third-hand soldering workstation. A repair tool that securely holds wires and electronic components while soldering, making electronics repair easier, safer, and more precise.